po yung mga gamit nila, pinayagan po ba sila?
Magtutugtog lang naman sila.
Magtutugtog lang, sir. Tapos after, sir, nung pagpapatugtog,
Pupunta na sila ng liwasan.
liwasan breakfast. Sir, meron po ba silang time limit o paano po?
Based on sa kausap natin na leader, bigyan na sila 15 minutes.
Okay, sir. So, 15 minutes lang po.
You're talking about the musicians, but the rally themselves, you're saying that
Wala po akong sinasabi.
Kanina
Wala po akong
usap tayo,
sinasabi. Wala po.
ang Manila LGU,
Wala po akong sinasabi.
hindi dapat walang
Wala po akong
permission.
sinasabi.
Sabi mo kanina eh.
Wala po.
Ang
Wala
national
po.
park.
Wala po
sinabi
silang
mo.
permit, yun lang po sinabi ko.
So you are here to stop them from rallying?
Wala po akong
Because
sinasabi.
they have no permit?
Wala po akong sinasabi.
What are you doing here? Why they were not allowed?
Sinisecure lang natin yung peace and order dito sa area.
Okay, so they're not being stopped from rallying. Is that right?
Meron tayong Freedom Park para doon sila.
No, I mean
makapalis
here
mag-rally.
because this was all the
Hindi po to Freedom Park.
You're stopping them from rallying here.
Kaya bibigyan lang natin sila ng ample time para isigaw yung kanila mga Pinoy.
So despite all the announcement from the Manila City Government, the MNU, wala silang karapatan mag-rally.
Wala po kung sinasabing ganun.
So why are you
Direct po
stopping
kayo
them?
nagsasabi sa akin.
No, why are they being stopped from rallying?
Wala po akong sinasabing may stop.
So they can rally, they can come here.
Bibigyan lang natin ng ample time.
What is ample time, sir?
Siguro ang sa usapan namin with the leaders is 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Which leaders are these?
Ito po.
The small group of musicians,
Yes.
not the
Musician.
rally organizers. Have you talked with David San Juan here?
Wala pa akong nakakausap.
Okay.
Sir, so
Okay na po tayo.
Sir, so as far as we're concerned, yung September 21 rally na setup, walang ganong mangyayari ngayon? Yung malaki, yung nakastop to? Ano po?
Kausapin niyo lang po ating public information officer.
Colonel, after ng 15 minutes, they have to...
You can talk with our
That's me, yes.
Yes po. Okay na po ba?
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.